Hey, I'm Kyla. So, I found this old school folder. It was pretty beat up and not useful anymore, but instead of throwing it out, I figured, why not give it a second life? I decided to turn it into something simple but super useful, a custom bookmark. Every school year, we go through tons of paper, folders, binders, notebooks, and most of it just ends up in the trash. But these materials can still be reused. So today, I'm giving this folder a new purpose with just a few materials. So here's what I used: old paper folder, ruler, pencil, scissors, hole punch, and decoration. These folders seen better days, but parts of it are still sturdy, perfect for a bookmark. I measured out a strip about 6 inches long and 2 inches wide, classic bookmark size. Then, I carefully cut it out. I put washi tape on the sides for design, and I had to decorate it a little, just to make it feel more me. Then, I punched a hole at the top and put a ribbon as a final touch. It fits perfectly in my journal, doesn't bend too easily, and adds a nice touch to my reading. Simple, but it works. Projects like this remind us that we don't always need to buy something new. With a little creativity, old stuff can be new again, and we keep more waste out of the landfill. So that's it. One old folder, and now I've got a personalized bookmark I'll actually use. Thanks for watching. Try it out with your own school supplies before tossing them, and keep finding creative ways to reuse and remark the everyday.